From Iran's deadly Shahid drones to America's stealth B-2 bombers, the battlefield in the Middle East is now dominated by some of the most powerful weapons ever built. Here are the 10 deadly weapons shaping the Iran-Israel-US war. Shahid 136 Kamikaze Drone. One of Iran's most widely used weapons in the conflict, a loitering munition designed to crash into targets and explode. It carries 40 to 60 kg explosive payload with a range estimated up to 2,000 kilometers. Cheap, around $20,000 to $50,000, but highly effective when used in large numbers. Shahid 131 Drone. Smaller version of the Shahid 136 attack drone, equipped with 10 to 20 kg warhead, range of around 900 kilometers, often used in swarm attacks to overwhelm air defense systems. Mojahir 6 Combat Drone. Iranian armed surveillance and strike UAV, can carry precision-guided bombs or missiles, endurance of around 12 hours, used for both reconnaissance and targeted attacks. Shahab 3 Ballistic Missile. One of Iran's major long-range missiles, estimated range of about 1,300 kilometers, capable of striking military bases, cities, and strategic infrastructure across the Middle East. Fattah Hypersonic Missile. Iran's next-generation missile, claimed to travel at hypersonic speeds, making interception extremely difficult, designed to bypass advanced missile defense systems. B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber. One of the most advanced aircraft in the US arsenal, designed to penetrate heavily defended airspace, used to strike deep underground targets like nuclear facilities.
Green, all clear, raise it up.
Massive Ordnance Penetrator Bunker Buster, a 30,000-pound bomb used by the US, designed to destroy deep underground bunkers and nuclear sites, usually carried by B-2 stealth bombers. Tomahawk Cruise Missile. Long-range precision missile launched from warships and submarines, can strike targets more than 1,000 kilometers away, widely used by US forces during major airstrikes. F-35 Stealth Fighter Jet. One of the world's most advanced combat aircraft, used by Israel and the US for precision airstrikes and air superiority, participated in major operations targeting Iranian facilities and air defenses. Patriot and THAAD air defense systems, advanced missile defense systems used by the US and allies, designed to intercept ballistic missiles and drones. Each interceptor missile can cost millions of dollars, highlighting the cost imbalance of the war. The conflict has revealed a dramatic contrast in military strategy. Iran, it relies on large numbers of cheap drones and missiles to overwhelm defenses. US and Israel depend on high-tech stealth aircraft, precision missiles, and advanced air defense systems. In many cases, a cheap drone costing tens of thousands of dollars can force defenders to fire interceptor missiles costing millions, turning the war into both a military and economic battle.